Pentry chef and Demi chef. Signification. Pentry chef, cold kitchen chef. A pantry chef is responsible for preparing and presenting cold dishes such as salads, appetizers, sandwiches, cold cuts, and dressings. They ensure food quality, freshness, and proper presentation while maintaining hygiene and food safety standards in the cold kitchen. Demi chef, cold kitchen. A demi chef in the cold kitchen assists the pantry chef in preparing cold dishes, organizing ingredients, maintaining food quality, and supporting daily cold kitchen operations. Role/responsibilities. Pantry chef. Prepare salads, appetizers, and cold dishes. Ensure food freshness and presentation. Manage ingredients and cold storage. Maintain hygiene and food safety standards. Supervise cold kitchen operations. Demi chef, cold kitchen. Assist in preparing cold dishes. Organize and replenish ingredients. Follow recipes and quality standards. Maintain cleanliness and food safety. Support daily cold kitchen active.